Mail organizational communication in a hassle-free manner. Switch to an easy and effortless way to communicate at your workplace. Know more about Mail. Mail is an email platform created by Onpassive. The platform enables the users to exchange communication and gives them a unique experience of communicating in a hassle-free manner. Mail has various features that make it the best email platform and also proved to be a significant competitor in the global market. Technology in Mail has smart features like unlimited storage, online and offline integration of calendars, synchronization of email across multiple devices, import contacts and addresses from the existing email address, to name a few from the platter of various features that are offered by the email platform. Mail users are given many options to customize according to their preferences and enable notifications across multiple devices, scheduling mails and so on. Mail strives to provide the best experience to its users worldwide by enabling the latest updates in the email platform, one that would create engaging and long-term relationship with the users. Key features of Mail. Mail, an AI-powered email service, comes with multiple features that enhance the ease with which you send and receive emails and manage your contacts. It is a convenient and user-friendly solution to all your emailing needs. Access online and offline calendars. Sync emails across multiple devices. Import contacts from old email to your Mail account. Customize and enable notifications. Schedule emails. Get unlimited storage space. Many more updates to come. A Bill Must production.